So let's load an iron condor. And all these strategies are also part of an example of how easy it is to create, backtest, and place these orders. You can create non-standard strategies also where you have 5 legs, 7 legs, disproportionate amount of lot size based on the risk that you're ready to bear and the exposure you want towards the reward. All right, so you see on the graph now, it's again a good visual check that you have an iron condor strategy. You are selling, again, our reference in this case is 18200. So we are selling slightly away from the ATM. We are selling two options, call and put, and we are buying it further out to cover our exposure, to make our exposure bound. We don't have open-ended losses in this case. As you were seeing in the previous case, our max loss is confined now. Of course, our profit is also very limited because we are selling very cheap options. Now we can modify it to vary our exposure. Let's modify it. So in this case, from 18200 we were selling 18600. Let's say I want to modify it. I can modify my lot size also, and in this case I'll go slightly close. This is a call option. So 18200. Let's say I sell 18. This is 18600. So let's say 18400. And similarly for our put option, we will also make it slightly closer to ATM. So in our case, 18,000. So as you can see, the premium you collect increase slightly. All right, so you can keep on changing the dynamics of the strategy. You can make it a ratio spread, as we will see in the next strategy that we talk about. All right, so now you modified it. You can save it with an alternate name. Let's call it modified iron condor. And get to save it. So everything is graphical for you to construct, to load, to backtest, and to place the orders. I can immediately place the orders. I can change the symbol, reload it, place the orders for that symbol. And the other option is for me to backtest. Let's create a backtest for this now. So my modified iron condor, let's run it for Nifty 50 in this case at a monthly interval. All right, so a lot of negative trades. So that gives you a food for thought on how to change the strikes, visualize each and every negative trade, and figure out a general rule on how to modify it to make it work. And it may work for some symbol even in the current state. Okay, let's just for our exposure, let's run the same strategy, same modified iron condor on Nifty. Similar results. I'll do one final test for you to run the default one. Let me take my default iron condor where I gave it more room to make a move, but we'll collect a little bit of premium. But let's see if that behaves in a better fashion. Again, I think Nifty, because Bank Nifty has too much volatility. for the iron condor to pay off. You can devise other strategies for it. Similar. All right. So now then you have to figure out changes to make this strategy work for yourself.